Hey everybody, it's Earl, MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Check out this beast, 69 Chevelle 396 TH400 Automatic transmission, front disc brakes, power steering. The engine's been completely done, and it is a mover. Very clean, all your wires and hoses are good. Very clean underneath the hood. Aluminum radiator. Thing moves out. A lot of power. Big old cam in there. Heads have been worked. All your belts and hoses are in great shape. Wait till I start it. Lines up great. The red paint shines wonderful. All your badging is right. SS wheels, 396, 373 gear, posi, 12 bolt. Paint is in good condition. All your glass and moldings are good. Rear bumper tagged up as well, in good shape, and the trunk's in real good condition and all soundproofed. Just for your final touches. Real clean. All your weather stripping's great. Everything lines up and gaps real well on this car. And it runs out like a beast. Really a lot of power. Front wheel disc brakes, power steering. See how it gaps? Just the way it should. All your chrome is good. Got a great stance to it, folks. Let me get off it a little bit so you take a look. Body's in real good condition. Someone spent a lot of time and love on this one. Bucket seats, seat belts for the rear are there. Rear deck is good, and your headliner is good. Shoulder seat belts with steering wheel. Everything's SS. 396, look how clean. All your weather stripping and moldings inside here are good. No rust to be found. I've got a bunch of pictures on our website, MGM Classic Cars. It's a B&M shifter. Upgraded AM/FM radio. And this is a push start. It's located right here underneath the dash. So I'm gonna give it a pump. Now let's see what happens. 396 everywhere. Running good. 60,538 on the mileage, and your dash pad is good. Great sound. I'll let you be the judge. Rips. A lot of power. Runs out great. Handles good. Stops well. No stories on any of that. It's located at our warehouse with 150 other vehicles. Excuse me, 250. Addison, Illinois. We are 15 minutes away from O'Hare Airport. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. We got all our vehicles online at our website. All our photos, description, pricing, and video is online. I'll give you my number in a second. Give me a call if you have any questions. It's really a beautiful 69 Chevelle, folks. And you can reach me at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. We do offer financing if you have good credit up to 180 months. Shipping all over the United States. Bonded and insured, enclosed and open. You can call me or text me, I can get you a quote. Like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come on by, call us, ask questions. Thanks for spending some time on this 69. Nice car. Let's get it in the garage, everybody. MGMClassicCars.com. Have a good day.